It's me, Mikey Pipes. I'm at an emergency service call. We have this leak defense system, or LDS. This is an automatic water shutoff valve. It's designed to sense irregular water flow and prevent extreme water damage. So let's say you have a pinhole leak in a pipe, something's broken, a pipe's broken in the house or a building. It prevents or mitigates the amount of water damage that occurs. Unfortunately, in this particular case, the valve is in the off position and the display cracked. So they have no water in the building, the house, fairly large house, and I'll show you the layout of the piping, and I'm going to show you how we get the water restored for this Sunday afternoon. This is the LDS, the leak defense system. This is an 1.5-inch valve. It's installed on the water main. Here is our incoming water service. We have 1.5-inch service coming in. And then right after that, we have the meter. This looks like a secondary line, possibly to a sprinkler system in the past, but here's our 1.5-inch meter. We have an 1.5-inch ball valve, the T with the drain, and then we come up here to our first connection. This is an 1.5-inch copper press by male adapter. But this first connection right here, this is an 1.5-inch check valve, 1.5-inch female pipe thread, so female IPS pipe threads here. This allows water to only travel in one direction, which is right now from left to right. You can see there's an arrow there. The reason why you need this is if there's ever a back pressure or pressure wants to go back to the street or the supply at the street, the service. Let's say no one's using any of the water in the house, the water heater is on, and the pressure builds up. This will prevent water from going back that way because it's expanding, right? That's why you need an expansion tank on a closed system like this. But if this check valve was in here, this LDS will sense the flow of water and turn off. So you have to put a backflow prevention here, or a check valve. Not a backflow, but a check valve here. This is the actual valve itself. It connects to the head. Right now, we are closed. Yes, and if you notice, I can't turn it. Let me show you there's no water going on. No, I'm good.
Water? Oh, I can't even make you go.
No, it's okay. Just residual water. And the display is broken. We have to get a new one. So to restore service here, pretty easy, right? We're gonna unplug power. Okay, we're gonna put this to manual from auto, okay? And then we're gonna turn the valve to the on position. As you can see, just like that. There's open. See that? Open. And that's closed. So now the valve is not protecting the property, but the water is restored. Pretty easy. Here, we actually unplugged it from this server rack here, but there was some sticky tape and it was taped right there, but I guess the sticky tape, no bueno that it came with, so damage to the control, we have to replace that. And we also have to do some work with this valve. Okay, but at least the water is now restored. That's so simple. And word of the wise, warning, disconnect power before engaging manual override. Very important. So you can disconnect it here, right? Or as you saw, we disconnected at the source, the transformer there. So it's disconnected here and there. The water is back on, but the house is not protected. In the event of a pipe break, you're gonna have a water loss claim. Hi.
Hi.
All right, the water is back on. Keep in mind that your house is now not protected. Just keep that in mind. We will reach out to the manufacturer after the holiday and see if there's any warranty on it or not. Okay, All right, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed today's video on what you need to do if your automatic shutoff valve for your whole house water valve shuts off and you got the leak detection system. We've installed dozens of these systems. They're quite reliable and without any real maintenance or any real aggravation in service calls. As long as it's programmed properly, you know, if you identify all the fixtures that the homeowner has for the home, it works flawlessly. But sometimes things happen, and obviously the thing fell off the server rack, broke, becomes inoperable. But this is how you restore water to your customers or your own home if you have a leak detection system. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, that if you disable this, right, you're not going to have an emergency means where it senses it automatically to turn off the water. So keep that in mind. This is only a temporary solution, right? And as always, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, be well, God bless, stay safe. Hey, what do you guys think? Yeah? Yeah? By the way, check out Stoley's YouTube channel, Stoley's World. Just started it the other day. Stoley, a mini golden doodle. I know he looks like a dachshund, but he's actually a mini golden doodle. Oh yeah, give me those kisses. And Gigi, a mini golden doodle. Be well, guys.